going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to Project Zangetsu. I'm Zoretu Matlangu, that's Zangetsu, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Alright guys, so today we are going to a little bit of a car meet slash car show. It is the Father's Day Auto Show being hosted by the Greenstone shopping center. So we're on our way there now. So I'm just gonna go there, check out what they've got and have some fun. See you guys there. Okay, so here we are at our destination finally, the Father's Day Auto Show here at Greenstone Mall. Let's go see what they got in stock. Alright guys, so I just got back from the car show at Greenstone Mall, and I have to say, I don't mean to speak disrespectfully of different sectors within car culture, but as far as what this channel is mostly focused around and what I was expecting, it was a bit of a letdown because it looks like it was the type of car show that's more aimed at the general automotive market, you know, that includes people that maybe just are in the market to buy a car purely for transport reasons, or maybe, you know, there's specific transport dynamics that you're looking at a car for, like, you know, people that have lift clubs, perhaps maybe looking for something that can seat people in the average car, or maybe you're just coming out of college and you're starting out, you know, your first car, something fuel economic and safe and all of that. So it was, you know, normal cars. To put that's the best non-judgmental way I can put it, because yeah, like, it was cars that were mainly aimed at, you know, the commuter, you know, someone who just needs a car purely for transport, like I mentioned just now. So no disrespect there. It's just that, you know, myself as a petrol head, as someone who's into performance cars specifically, and also looking at the poster itself, you know, I mean, like the main featured car on that poster was a drawing of an Evo, you know. That's a little bit misleading if you look at what was actually on show. So yeah, it was a bit of a letdown, especially considering the day on which I went to this show, and the reasons why I went there and all that. But hey, it's a video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The only performance car that was there really was the Mustang, that pale blue Mustang that I filmed. But other than that, it was regular cars, you know. Please stop ranting and raving about that and lamenting, because as you know, on this channel we try to keep an upbeat, positive attitude. So I'm glad I at least got to go and that I got to make content for you guys. There is a series of videos that have been planned that are coming up, as well as another episode of Cars and Conversation that's currently in the works. A couple of episodes actually, to be honest. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the thumbs up icon and leave us a like. And if you'd like to see more from Project Zangetsu, please go ahead and click subscribe. And be sure to ring that bell icon so that you are notified each and every time I drop new content on this here channel. And for those of you that have made it to the end of this video, please go ahead and type in the comment section down below Time Stone, because that was the green Infinity Stone in Avengers Infinity War. You know, just to put some levity at the end of this sort of a bit of a bumper video. But yeah, otherwise I've been Zoro Tumatamu, and as usual, thanks for hanging out, and take care of each other, stay awesome, and stay chasing your dreams to infinity and beyond.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one.